Worried about overheating after installing that aftermarket CPU cooler? You might be using the wrong mounting hardware. Let's talk about fitting CPU coolers and avoiding common mistakes. First-time builders often use the wrong combination of screws, brackets and spacers, and this can lead to overheating processors and reduced performance. Imagine your CPU running hot because of a simple installation error. Well, to be truthful, it's all too common. But by thoroughly reading your cooler's manual, you can ensure that you've installed it correctly and avoid these issues. So always read the manual thoroughly, double check your hardware combinations and ensure proper configuration and optimal performance.